Welcome to the most exciting 2 minutes of your coding journey. Today, we're diving into the fascinating universe of AI video generation using Python. Brace yourselves for a thrilling ride through the dynamic landscape of artificial intelligence and video creation. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned coder, get ready for a rapid-fire adventure packed with information. Step 1. Choose your weapon, library. Picking the right library is a game changer in AI video generation. TensorFlow woos with simplicity, while PyTorch tempts with flexibility. It's a tough choice, I know. Choose wisely, young coder. Step 2. Gather your troops, data. For your AI to become a movie maestro, you need a plethora of images or videos. It's like feeding your AI a diet rich in visual goodies. Think of it as a movie marathon for your AI. Step 3. It's showtime. Time to train your model using the data you've gathered. It's like teaching your AI to speak the language of videos. Remember, this is a process that requires time and patience. Be patient, grasshopper. Rome wasn't built in a day. Step 4. Let's roll. Now that your model is trained, it's time to unleash its potential. Feed it some input and watch as it crafts a masterpiece, weaving together a video with the finesse of an AI maestro. It's like having your own personal Spielberg. Step 5. Don't stop now. Dive into the sea of possibilities. Experiment with different parameters. Fine-tune your model. Each tweak, each adjustment brings you closer to perfection. This is where you unleash your inner mad scientist. And there you have it, folks. In a couple of minutes, we've journeyed through the process of generating AI videos using Python. From choosing the right library, prepping the data, training the model, to finally generating your video and fine-tuning it. Remember, the beauty of coding lies in exploration. So, don't be afraid to experiment and push your limits. Keep that mad scientist within you alive and kicking. Thanks for joining us on this whirlwind adventure. Until next time, happy coding!